the app and a little entertainment and mix up there. So you went and then get bored, then gone. So be smart. Cause can the people their money done then start them go on them gonna dispute it with the bank. Right now, the reason why they don't put up no points, they're on the phone with the bank, telling the bank that I don't know how the money come out of the account, you know. Or I bought some coins and I don't get it from the TikTok shop. They're trying to get back the money that they just got paid on Friday. My sensation, them too smart. Me have nurse over here, doctor, lawyer. Me have people who work at front desks. People who are teacher. People who have them business. But people them too smart to take them last come give me. Them smarter than you. Before them take them last shoot it and give them rather buy me 2 rice and flour. Them not take them all money where them have just come give me so. Me have people with brains. Me have people over here with brains when no say responsibility come first. And Vani will understand, say, boy, we can't shoot today, we will shoot tomorrow. I'm alright with them, but you, all if the people them not give for your class them and say, I can't stay here, so me I go away, I class them.
But you gotta go back and get the couch.
Fear people then just send out everything where they have just for hype and then on the money in a real life. Right? I don't know if you send gift for hype. Send gift pure. Send it when you have it. No send it because of the views. Send it when you have it. Send it when you have it. No send it for the views. Because views now going away. And I want thing to understand about match as gifters. It's when Candy's playing, people like me want to not like, want to not give think you shoot against me. You a shoot out, me still a earn. That's the big thing, you know, to TikTok, you know. You see, when I'm playing Candy and you think you're shooting against me because you don't like me, because you want me to lose every match, just remember that your bank account is still going down and I'm still here going up. Because no matter how much you shoot, me still I put up points. Don't tell all the rows them count. So I want to take a stock. You're really not hurting me. Really not hurting me, to be honest. And the same people them where I eat. Me drop a video now, them I go view it. I remember TikTok pays me from my videos. Ranking bed. My bed they stink. From morning I sit down on the bottom, your bed stink. Go bed. Go bed, your bed stink. Your bed stink, Candy. Your bed stink. Go and wash the poo out of your ass. Your bed stink. Remember the body will begin, so when you're not shitting off a white body, it just drop out, but you need spray. And you need Fabuloso. You need a hose. You understand that? You need a hose and Fabuloso in your bottom. You don't have nothing for wipe, but me know you have something for spray up in it. You have a hole where you need to go put one hose in it. You don't want bleach, because bleach will make you raw. You need Fabuloso and Dettol. You need Fabuloso and Dettol. You need proper sheet for your bed. You make money and look on the cheap sheet them where you sheet them coming like the sheet in the hospital. And just fling on a little thin sheet them gear. Y'all are nasty. You would even straighten up your place before you come on TikTok live. This man has on nails and wig and eating like a fucking Rottweiler. What is feminine about that? That's not how females behave, you know. Go get ready. You don't tell me I'm getting ready at 4 o'clock. I think this is going to be the last one. This gonna be the last one. Batty boy. So good, Batty man. Style! Batty man, look how him eat like him hungry. Not eat for days. Look there. Not feminine. Make we see the man where you did a hide. I saw your man black and ugly and shape bad and stink. Make we see the man where you did a hide. Cause we see the man dressed back. The man ate you. The man don't want nobody to see a yarn him there.
You don't know my man.
The man ate you. We see the man showing at the camera. The man ate you.
You don't know my
and
man.
the man dressed back.
You mean I have to sober?
Dirty
You don't know
man.
my man.
The man ate your candy. The man just saw the camera upon him. The man run.
You don't know my man.
Why you eat your brothers and sisters?
Your man want. Your
Why
man
you
likes
eat
to
your brothers
wash.
and sisters?
Your man likes
your
to
brother and
wash.
your sister them. You stink.
Don't tell
Go
your man
and
to
watch
wash
the
his
pile
ears.
under your ass.
Your man likes to
Because
wash.
you see the man, one black, ugly man who never watch Drag Me to Hell. When the man sees the
Yeah, big
camera
girl.
upon him, the man drop back. So the man run out of the camera.
Baby girl,
When
me
the
have
system
guess.
come.
Baby girl, me have guess.
You're muted. I don't want to hear what the fuck you gotta say, asshole. 16 roast chat. You know, see, you bring the wig a little bit too far for your eye. Cause I can't lash that you have on. You know, see, you kind of draw the wig a little bit too down for your eye. Or maybe a slant cut, you slant cut it. I don't know. Or is it a Halloween look? Is it a Halloween look? If you can look say in a real life, imagine your back door. Cause them said, oh you carry yourself, I saw everywhere for your body look. So if I saw your front appearance look, just imagine your back appearance. Dirty. You need some laser. Thank you, my love. Name out one like a dental man. Or look a grammar zone.
The ear no look good.
You need a weed whacker fit in your mouth. Lawnmower.
The ear no look good. The ear no look good, be honest.
You need
And
weed
she
whacker
look
and
slim
lawnmower.
too. Car face looks slim, you know, come like she a fuck hard. And she a bust juice hard. But some. She no look like she. She looks sick full. Be honest, which one?
You need weed whacker and lawnmower.
Look here. I shoulder bone them look.
Weed whacker and lawnmower in your mouth.
Look by her shoulder bone. This is not Vani. Something about the inside. You know look comfortable. Talk to me. I'm to your Vani. You know look comfortable, baby. Talk to me. Talk to Candy, baby. Sweetheart, talk to Candy. Want to you know look comfortable. Something about the inside, baby. Talk to me, sweetheart. Naughty, naughty. Naughty, naughty. Lick shit out of body. Take eyes out of bottom. Naughty blood clot, naughty. Six
Spell
more
naughty,
can
naughty.
reach number 3. 6 more can reach number 3.
Spell naughty naughty.
When I have to spell it, unless I can say it. Everything that you have, I have.
Spell naughty
As
naughty.
long as everything where you have, me have is okay.
Naughty,
Everything where you
naughty.
have, I have.
You
It's
can't
okay.
spell naughty naughty.
Your pussy down.
Your gifter's name, how it pronounce?
Alright?
The number one.
Felicia, come suck me.
Let me
The
see.
number 1 gifter. Felicia, come suck
When number 2
me.
name?
Come suck me.
What number 2 gifter
Alright,
name?
number 2 name. Hold on. Number 2 name Joels. Money. Come suck me.
You know the money.
Come suck me.